Ganito rin ba yung buhay mo? Maagang gigising, maghahanda para sa pamilya, aalis ng maaga, tulog pa ang mga bata at buong maghapong pagod sa trabaho. Tapos uuwi ng walang energy para sa pamilya. My name is Rosemary. I live here in California. I'm originally from the Philippines. Isang may bahay at isang ina. And I am a healthcare worker for almost 20 years. Before, I used to believe that work means leaving home early, spending the entire day exhausted, tired, and stressed, and coming back at night drained with no energy left for the people I love. And the painful part, wala na akong time para sa sarili ko, sa pamilya ko. And I couldn't afford to visit my aging parents back home because it's expensive, it costs a lot of money, and time is limited. At alam mo ba yung pakiramdam na pagod ka na sa trabaho, pero pagdating sa bills, parang kulang pa rin. Double job ka na, pero wala pa ring ipon. And deep inside, ang tanong ko sa sarili ko, ganito na lamang ba habang buhay? Until I realized I needed another option. Then, I discovered the world of digital business. At hindi pwedeng ganito forever. Hindi pwedeng puro pagod na lang, walang progress. So, I started learning about digital business na pwede kong gawin kahit busy ako, kahit may full-time job ako. Hindi siya madali, pero posible. As long as you are willing to learn and grow, and eventually everything will follow. So, kung ngayon, unti-unti ko nang nabubuo yung plan B ko para sa future ng family ko at para din sa sarili ko for my future retirement. So if you are a healthcare worker or a busy professional na gusto ng extra income while working full-time, this is for you to try. Just sign up, no pressure at all, just learning. So just click the learn more button below and sign up with your name and email address so I can send you the link to our free webinar. It's the overview and the detailed information of the program. All you have to do is connect as long as you have an internet using your cell phone or laptop. So I will guide you step by step. Kahit beginner ka, kahit ikaw ay walang experience sa business at hindi ka din tech savvy. So, sign up ka and I hope to see you inside.